welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Teeks, or you can call me TAKARAONEA, okay? And I am back with my niece. My niece is going back to school, so she got a little mini series on my channel because my 1-year-old is not quite going back to school yet, so I figured I'll let y'all use my niece as some inspiration for going back to school. Because I know y'all loved my back to school videos, but I'm like, you know, I'm older now and it wouldn't really make sense. But I mean, since my niece is here, why not give y'all some back to school content? And she is prepping to go back to school. You're going to be a what?
Freshman.
Fresh meat. She gonna be fresh meat, and she's gonna be fresh meat because she's going to a new school. So she's the new girl on the block. She is gonna be fresh meat. So I wanted to help her build her a, what is it called? School emergency school kit for her freshman year, going into high school. Because there's a little bit more things that you need when you're like, you know, a young teenage girl or a young teen going into high school. You're gonna need a little bit more when you're in high school. So first we can start off with the stuff we got from Five Below. I'll show y'all the little bag that we got her from the dollar store because I wanted to make this really affordable because, you know, we in the recession. We don't want to spend a lot of money, and I know we can originally go to Target and things like that, but they have just as much good stuff for your small emergency kit bag at Five Below and at Dollar Tree, so don't stray away from those places. We got her this little bag. I probably have a little bigger bag for you to use, but I mean, this is good for just putting the little basic stuff in here. So this one says stuff on it, and this was only, well, $1.25 now. Right. So but it's just a little clear pouch. So all right, now you can show them the stuff that you got from Five Below. So that's the pouch that we're going to be putting stuff in. I'm gonna actually pop the tag on it. We can start putting some of this stuff
this is razors. I got some razors from Five Below.
Yes, so we're gonna be building her bag. She got some razors. Yeah, you can open it. Okay. Well, I'll open it while you show them the other stuff. Okay. You can put it in there.
Then I got,
these are the Gillette Venus sensitive razors. So these are good if she's ever like, if you ever like in gym or you just like forgot, you can like during gym class or whatever, you can rush in there and just do that real quick or whatever. So we'll open it later.
Freeman face wipes. Just for like if I just need to wipe my face real quick or something like that.
So you can have those. You can put those in there.
Then I got this, my favorite part.
Yes.
This brush.
Got this from Five Below.
It's like a
super cute, and it's purple. So it's a brush and a mirror, and it has like glitter on the outside of it. Yeah, I love that. That is so cute. And she has short hair, so for her having her short natural hair, she just needs something to keep her curls just, you know, just popping. She don't really need like hair ties and clips and stuff like that. Now you can include that in like bobby pins and stuff like that, but because her hair is short, so this is for my short girl friendly girls out there. Just get you a good little brush with a mirror, honey.
Yeah, just
touch up your curls, you know, and you good to go. I really like this though.
Yeah, I do too.
So cute.
So I got these nails just cause why not?
I feel like those are for you to put on before you going back to school, but still cute. You can put an extra nail in there in case one pop off.
Right. One thing I know. Yeah.
So keep an extra nail in there in case one pop off, girl. Okay.
I know they be popping up in gym class.
So we can make sure she gonna put a few extra ones in there with the glue in case they pop off. So yeah.
Next I got this mascara with
always a need.
This lip gloss, LA Colors. This is Wet and Wild, and then this is LA Colors.
So you always want to be able to touch up, and then keeping your lips moisturized is really good. And lip oils are really, really good because they just add that moisture back into them. So yeah, this one says infused with gold and ultra moisturizing formula. So super cute. I'm excited for you to try these out and let me know how you like them. Yeah. You want me to open them up, or you just
if you want to? Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna put them in her bag.
These are from the.
So we got those from the dollar store. Did you get you got everything out of the Five Below?
Yeah, that's everything.
Okay.
And this is mine.
So next she got her hand sanitizer. You can show them that. Yeah. Make sure you put you a hand sanitizer, honey, because we ain't trying to catch nothing that's going on out here, okay? Nothing. So get you that. You can put that in there. Yes. Building her bag, honey, okay? Like Build-A-Bear. Right. Yeah. I'm dead. I'm weak.
So this is from.
Wow, this is so pretty.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Yeah, I love this.
Yes, it's the shine for me.
Yes, girl.
Next, this is from the dollar store.
Those are from Dollar Tree.
What are these?
These are just panty liners, so if she is about to start her period, she can kind of just throw those on real quick just to, like, you know, because you probably have a few leaks or whatever. But you do want to include some regular pads in there as well. But I just said these because they're smaller, and if she's getting ready to start it, she can always just have one on. And you use those for when you're getting ready to, like, get off of your period. So you can just actually have just extras in there. So those are just little panty liners she can throw in there. They're just a smaller, compact version. So yeah. I'm gonna open one up and put a few in there.
So these are just earrings we got. Like, let's say you lose an earring, you have some extras in there, just in case. Or if you want to change your earrings.
Yep. Or you lose a back or whatever, just put you an extra pair in there. If you forget, you rushing out the house, you got you a cute little pair you could just have in your emergency school kit. So I think that's always good. And where did you get these from? These are super affordable, huh?
The dollar
store. So just a little extra pair, nothing too special.
This is the rest.
Now this goes back with if you are on your menstrual, because I know my young girls, my freshmen out there. These are just feminine wipes you can use just to freshen up, because you know you don't want to be smelling bad at school or nothing like that. So we got her the sheer lavender, and those are good. Those are might or may not. You might have to put these in your backpack.
Yeah.
But yeah, still want to just keep them in your emergency school kits. So what's next?
Next is this lip balm.
Yes, next she got a little lip balm. That one is so cute.
Yeah.
I love the EOS bombs, but this one is super affordable. The EOSs are a little bit more, but this one was from the dollar store, and it looks literally exactly the same. So if you want something a little bit more affordable, I'm pretty sure it works the same. And this says sweater weather. This is the vanilla mint. So yeah, I'll go ahead and open it so you can put it in anything.
Next, I got a mini deodorant. It's not.
That look regular size.
Yeah.
I don't know why they didn't have any mini ones. But you can get you a mini one to put in there. But either way,
it's still
super cute. This thing is so small. It's like a little egg. It's so cute. Yes. So you can throw that in there. This is a really nice size bag though, honestly, when you think about it.
Next, I got
another lip gloss. She got lip oil and lip gloss.
Right.
So she got another little lip gloss. Super cute. I think you should always have clear, but that's a good one too. So that one just got like flavor to it?
I think so, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Super cute.
Next I got
Dollar Tree.
This BB cream. This is like, I don't know.
BB cream, she's just now starting off with like makeup and stuff like that. So if she just want to like refreshen up after like gym, or again if she just want to freshen up herself, BB cream is good. And that's just even just going back to school, just makeup. So, and my sister said this BB cream from the Dollar Tree is really good. I haven't tried it, but I've seen her wear it, and it really does make her skin look really clear for it to be a BB cream from the dollar store. So yeah, really good. So you can keep that in there. Then your eyelash curler, of course. That's not really like an emergency, but you can. Oh, I just cut myself. Oh, something. It's alright. But yeah, so then she has an eyelash curler, which you can just keep in like her makeup bag. Yeah. So yeah.
Because I got the mascara.
Yes. So you can just keep that in there. And then you did get some bobby pins for emergency, right?
Yeah. Like if I just want to, you know,
do something.
Yeah, with my hair.
Her hair is going to eventually grow, so yeah. So yeah.
They're still super cute though.
Those are cute, yeah. So yeah, was that it?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it, y'all. You can hold the bag. We'll put all the rest of this stuff in there. And then she's also going to, you can also put like gum and like mints and stuff like that. She has all of that stuff as well. So
and please put money in there.
Oh yeah, money. Actually.
Yes. Please.
Trying to see what I got. Here. 1, 2, 3. Here, let me see. 1, 2, 3. So $4. But you can put some extra money in there. So you keep that and put that in.
Me?
Yeah, that's yours. Yeah, I'm there. I forgot I had that money back there.
Yes.
So yeah, put some money in there for emergency reasons, y'all. Because you probably going, I don't know if they got vending machines. Did they have vending machines?
They had a lot.
Oh, okay. So yeah.
And you know, games and stuff. So like the concession stand.
Oh yeah.
Stuff like that.
So yeah, y'all. That concludes our emergency school. What am I saying? Am I saying it wrong?
Emergency.
School emergency kit.
Yeah.
Back to school. Back to school emergency school kits.
Yeah.
Let us know what else the girls shall include in their back to school emergency school kits. If we're missing anything, comment below and let us know what else you should include or what you're going to be putting in yours, because you can personalize it to, you know, your needs.
Yeah.
Like I said, Zahara. Reese has short hair, so she doesn't need like the bobby pins and like the hair ties and all that stuff, but maybe you do. So yeah, so comment below, let us know what else we should include or you should include or the gals shall include. And yeah, don't forget to check out our other back to school videos. The next one we have is going to be oh yeah, her back to school supplies. So yeah, check that out and check out the back to school clothes shopping video as well. And we love you guys, and until the next one, we will see you at the top. Peace.